Hi, and welcome to ACES Centre. This is the Unit of Competency FNSA-CCT 601B, Preparing Complex Tax Returns and Lodgements. This Unit of Competency will address the following elements. Identify taxation requirements for complex lodgements and returns. Gather and analyse taxation-related data. Process data and prepare tax returns and lodgements. Review taxation lodgement compliance. Element 1. Identify taxation requirements for complex lodgements and returns. This will assess the following performance criteria. Organisational structure of the taxation entity is identified. Taxation perimeters of the organisation are determined. Lodgement schedule requirements are established. Element 2. Gather and analyse taxation-related data. This will assess the following performance criteria. Accounting reports relevant to taxation requirements are identified and collected. Accounting information is analysed to determine relevant taxation elements. Element 3. Process data and prepare tax returns and lodgements. This will assess the following performance criteria. Data is processed to comply with the relevant taxation format. Returns and lodgements are prepared in accordance with Australian Taxation Office ATO requirements. Element 4. Review taxation lodgement compliance. This will assess the following performance criteria. Lodgements and returns are submitted for authorisation by an approved person within the stated deadlines. Taxation preparation procedures are reviewed to determine their efficiency and effectiveness. Recommendations arising from the review are made to enable more efficient organisational structures and procedures for taxation purposes. Tax office inquiries and taxation audit requirements are met. This unit of competency expects the following required knowledge. Income tax legislation. State and federal government taxes and charges. Options, methods and practices for deductions, benefits and depreciation. Ethical considerations for the handling of returns, for example, conflict of interests, confidentiality and disclosure requirements. Financial legislation, for example, taxable transactions and reporting requirements. A range of acceptable practices required to obtain deductions under relevant tax legislation, for example, capital gains tax, CGT, and income tax. Principles of internal control, including statutory requirements. Principles of valuation and common methods of depreciation. Detailed knowledge of formats required for submission of statutory returns. Methods and principles of accrual accounting. This unit of competency requires the following skills. Prepare non-complex tax returns. Analyse accounting information. Use computers, organisational accounting, software systems, taxation lodgement devices and telecommunication devices to achieve workplace outcomes. This is the end of the relevant information for this unit of competency. Thank you.